Ever wondered if your spare change could actually grow into something substantial? We're constantly bombarded with messages about investing, but it can feel overwhelming knowing where to start. Many of us are looking for simple, accessible ways to dip our toes into the world of finance without needing a huge lump sum. This leads us to today's question: does Moka offer investment accounts? Before we dive into Moka specifically, let's quickly recap what we mean by investment accounts. Essentially, these are accounts designed to help you grow your money over time. Unlike a regular savings account that offers minimal interest, investment accounts allow you to put your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, which have the potential for higher returns. Of course, with higher potential returns comes greater risk, which is why it's important to understand your options. Traditional investment accounts often require significant initial deposits and can come with complicated fees. This can be a major barrier for many people, especially those just starting their financial journey. That's where apps like Moka come into the picture. Moka, known for its roundup savings feature, has become a popular tool for automating savings. But does it go beyond just saving and offer actual investment opportunities? Moka's core function is its automated savings system. It links to your bank account and rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. This spare change is then automatically transferred to your Moka account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach makes saving effortless, allowing you to accumulate funds without even thinking about it. However, the question remains, are these accumulated funds simply sitting in a savings account, or are they being invested? The answer is that Moka does offer investment options, but it's important to understand how they work. Moka offers investment accounts through its partnership with a registered investment dealer. This means that the money you save through roundups can be invested in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer diversification across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, making them a popular choice for beginner investors. Moka offers different portfolio options based on your risk tolerance. These portfolios range from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. A conservative portfolio will typically have a higher allocation to bonds, which are generally considered less risky than stocks. An aggressive portfolio, on the other hand, will have a higher allocation to stocks, offering the potential for higher returns, but also carrying greater risk. This is a key differentiator for Moka. It's not just about saving, it's about investing those savings in a diversified and accessible way. By offering different portfolio options, Moka allows users to tailor their investment strategy to their individual needs and risk tolerance. Now, let's address some common questions people might have about Moka's investment accounts. One frequent question is about fees. Moka charges a monthly fee for its services, which covers both the roundup savings and the investment management. It's important to understand this fee structure and compare it to other investment platforms to determine if it's a good fit for your budget. Another important point to consider is the level of control you have over your investments. With Moka, you are essentially investing in pre-built portfolios. You can choose your risk level, but you can't pick individual stocks or bonds. This hands-off approach is appealing to many beginners who may feel overwhelmed by the complexities of stock picking. However, more experienced investors who prefer greater control over their investments might find this limiting. It's also crucial to remember that investing always involves risk. Even with a diversified portfolio, there's no guarantee of returns. The value of your investments can go up or down depending on market conditions. It's essential to understand this before investing any money. Moka provides educational resources to help users understand the basics of investing, but it's always advisable to do your own research and seek professional financial advice if needed. So, to definitively answer the original question, yes, Moka does offer investment accounts. It allows you to invest your spare change in diversified portfolios of ETFs, making investing accessible and convenient for beginners. However, it's important to understand the fee structure, the level of control you have over your investments, and the inherent risks associated with investing. Moka's approach is particularly appealing to those who are new to investing and want a simple, automated way to start growing their money. The Roundup feature makes saving effortless, and the diversified portfolios provide a relatively low-risk entry point into the world of investing. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. More experienced investors, or those who prefer greater control over their investments, may want to explore other options. Ultimately, whether Moka is the right choice for you depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment experience. If you're looking for a simple, automated way to start investing your spare change, Moka is definitely worth considering. It offers a convenient and accessible entry point into the world of finance, empowering you to make your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.